What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, I think I'm gonna make a video here to show you guys how I do thumbnails, and I'm gonna show you because I'm gonna make a thumbnail right now. I'm gonna make a thumbnail for a game that I am going to play and stream. Um, this game is going to be Transylvania Adventure Simon's Quest. The way I do it, the way I start is first I go to Google and I search the name of the game. And then I'll go to images and then I'll look for a good image to use as a background for the game. So like say for this, I didn't use this one, but I got right here. This is perfect for me for the format. And sometimes, depending on the picture, like say this one, if it was a better, okay, so like say this picture, if I wanted to, I would take this, I'll save it, and then I'll save a logo. I'll go to the logo. Damn, I wish they had a transparent one. Let's see if we can find a transparent one. And I'll go like this, transparent, type in transparent, and then we'll find it. Find a good one here. It's not transparent. Do y'all know what transparent means? Okay, that's transparent. That's fucking, holy crap, it's 8-bit. Okay, so now go here. Boom, I got all that stuff saved. So the next thing I do is I go to, okay, well, no, I'm not even gonna do that. I might make that in another video. But okay, so then from there, I go to Picsart.com, free. Just use your Google account. There's all kind of stuff you can do here, but I don't know nothing about it. I just use it straight for thumbnails. So go here, create. No, start new design, YouTube, thumbnail, which is 1280 by 720. Then we open a new project. So then what I do here is I go to streaming assets. Okay. And these are some of the stuff that I've been working on. I haven't played some of these games yet. I just made the thumbnails like a long time ago. Uh okay, so say for this one, Simon Quest, for the blank one. Okay, so I'll boom, I'll throw that in there. Boom. Now this is cool because it lines you up. It has a lineup, so I can line it up vertically, line up horizontally. Boom. So my next step, stretch. All you do is click it and move it. Boom. So I can have it evenly stretched out for the image. Boom. Next step. See, I got all my little images that I made on the website. There's has logos and stuff like different video games. And I chose the Sega font for the font I want to use for my main font. And I made a whole bunch of different wordings and stuff. So boom, next. This is here. It's my logo that goes on everything. Always make sure to have it at the width at 101, no, 104 pixels. And then I move that right here. Boom. Next thing, I'm going to put, oh, I don't have it on here. Oh, there we go. Demo. And I go, wait, now let me get the logo. Transylvania Adventure. Boom. Blow it up. Wow. I wish I could like make it underneath, like make him go in front of this and have it on the side. So the boom. Okay, that's cool right there. Might be too big. Okay, boom. There you go. Boom. Let's play. So now I go. Boom. Let's play. I love how it makes those lines for the centering, so you don't have to really think about it. It's like boom, line, it's center. It's perfectly center. That doesn't look right there though. Hmm. Okay, that will be small. This might need to go over here. I didn't move you. What are you doing? That's the one thing I don't like about this. Sometimes it'll grab the thing you're not wanting to grab. How does that look? I really can't tell. I don't look that good. Damn, this looks corny. I can't get it, man. Damn. Hmm. That's fine, I guess. So what I would do is here, I would go to edit, stroke, so we can have a thick black lines around it. Stroke. Might change them white. Hell no. Okay. Let's do it for this too. Stroke. Stroke kind of makes those bold outlines. I got this program recently called Krita, Krita. That's a photo editor. I'm gonna learn how to use that because I sometimes Picsart be weird and the website might be down, but I want to learn how to do it all myself on that program because it's basically like the free version of Photoshop, open source. And I've been watching a couple videos, but I haven't quite gotten to it yet. So anyway, this is no. I'll just add some dumbass text or something. Let's see. Of course, we're gonna change that. First of all, let's change that, and then we're gonna change the font. It's something cooler. Actually, that works. No matter. All right, let's keep looking at fonts. No. It works, I guess. Okay, so anyway, this is a basic, you know, real quick. Took me a couple minutes. Well, what was it? 10 minutes. Let's see. Transylvania. Simon Quest. Demo. And then you save it, download, and boom, there it is. And you can mess with everything. They got layers and stuff. You can go, like, if I wanted to, I could go here, boom, go to all the layers. If I wanted to, you can make the layers go frontwards and backwards. You just right click it and tell it send back, send forward, or you could do the shortcut. I bet you could do a lot more if you pay for this service. You could do a lot more because they have a lot of AI things you can do to fix up stuff and add stuff and prompt stuff. I just trying to show you a free alternative that you can do. You can do it. Um, Also, this is Krita. Show you what Krita is. It's free, and I advise you to try to learn it if you want another free way to do it. You could do it offline. It's free, like I said. It's open source. You could help pay them. You could pay them. You know, give them tip, whatever. I got it from Steam. I bought it off of Steam. It was like $6. And that's, you know, supporting them, donating, and then you get free updates, which I don't really care. But you do have to install your own fonts that I noticed so far, so don't forget that. There is a video that talks about how to do all of this stuff. Let me see if I can find it here, and then you guys can search this. And here.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to
This video is a good video, so search this video. How to make a YouTube thumbnail with Krita from Radar Tutorials. I didn't finish the video yet, obviously, but I got to a certain point to where he's explaining everything step by step, how to make the thumbnail. And it's very in depth and it's easy to understand. So take your time, watch the video, rewind it if you have to, pause it if you have to. But this is some good stuff. I guarantee you, this is some good stuff. Thanks for watching, and there goes Krita again. Thanks for watching. There goes my image, and I'm getting rid of it because I already saved it. So I get rid of all my elements because it'll save all your elements if you don't do this. It'll literally save everything and keep it in its little memory, and you don't want that because when it does that, the next time you get on, or it'll build up over time, and then it'll say you ran out of memory because they only give you a certain amount of memory to upload and hold things. So for me, oh wow, you can upload videos here too. Damn, you can probably do everything here. Anyways, peace out. Thanks for watching. Give me a subscribe, give me a like, do something, please. Because I'm putting in work. I'm trying. Peace.